Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Little Things by Gauri. And today we have a chaotic day because I'll tell you the context to it later on, but अभी मुझे बाहर से डांट पड़ रही है and I need to take bath as quick as possible. So yeah, see you later after the bath. So नहा हम लिए हैं, स्किन केयर हमने कर लिया है and now we are going to go somewhere. So let me tell you the context. Context is कि my mamu is launching a brand, like they have a brand, तो उसका daughter brand is getting launched. So उसके context में उसका inauguration and the launch event is today. So we are going to dress in traditionals, जो मुझे नहीं पता था till the time I came over here. And but मैंने अपने सारे कपड़े पैक कर लिए थे, so we have something to wear. I'll show you when I'll be dressed, but उससे पहले we have to go to the location and check the arrangements and all that stuff. So join me. Bye. So now we are going to the location and I'm going to catch you guys there. Bye. So guys, we have reached the location and this is the auditorium. It is Lata Mangeshkar something cultural auditorium, and yeah, that's the stage, and I'll show the view by like flipping the camera. Wait. So yeah, this is the main stage and here we have the sitting area. Let's hope for the best. So this is the backstage of the auditorium. Like, see, this is the normal entry for the people and this is the VIP entry for me, of course. For me. And that is the stage entry. Wait, that is the stage entry, that's the VIP entry and normal entry for everyone who is not privileged like me. So this is the brand name, the Jungle Harvest and the Giggles. Like, I'll show you. ये जो है, this is the main brand. Okay, so we have इसके under daughter brands which is Giggles, and one more we have Kosha Care. This is the skincare range to it. So yeah, and Giggles is for the shakes and crushes and all that stuff, and this is the Pura parent brand. And here we have the creams जो भी कोशा केयर की हैं, and the serums and the oils and all that stuff. So अभी ये भी सभी लोग काम में लगे हैं. Everyone. This is the view actually बाहर से, लता मंगेशकर कला केंद्र ऊना, and from there we have the entrance and we have the entrance from there as well. And this is the area जहाँ से we get this kind of a view. Of course, आज धूप भी है, so it is looking really nice. Of course, very pretty. So right now everyone is working except me. Of course, I'm busy vlogging. So we're gonna come here after like I think 5 o'clock is the time for the event, so we'll be here by 4 o'clock, and right now it's 12 o'clock. So अभी इसका व्यू जो इतना सुंदर लग रहा है, मे बी शाम को और सुंदर हो जाए बिकॉज ऑफ द सनसेट. सो लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट. बाय बाय. यू नो, स्टेज देख के ना, there's another level of excitement in me because every time I see stage I am like, say hello Anvisha. So every time I see stage there's something that kicks in me. I just love to be on stage, but of course अभी मेरा तो कोई सीन नहीं है on the stage, to be very honest, but मुझे बहुत excitement हो रही है स्टेज को देख के. What do you have to say?
Nothing. I have no words.
We are excited, definitely. Why I really miss being on stage. It's kicking something inside me. I really miss being on stage. And in school also, I used to be very much into plays and dramas happening in the school and all that stuff. So I really miss being on stage. I have even done Nukkad Natak bhai. हो हम आए हैं साथ में लाए हैं ज्ञान का पिटारा है. This used to be a jingle for the start of the thing, and our school came second in the state of Punjab just because of our Nukkad Natak. Yeah, हमारी एक थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक के कारण we couldn't go to the nationals because of some things. We just said a politician name in between of the natak, so a little context to the memories that I have in my mind. Okay, bye. I'll talk to you guys later. Maybe in the evening when I'll be. I am on stage.
Just stand का
Podium है ये.
गलत इस्तेमाल हो रहा है.
Finally, guys, I'm on stage. I'm on stage. इसने मुझे नहीं दिखाया.
दिखा
इसने
दिया.
मुझे नहीं दिखाया.
दिखाया है. देख लियो.
So hello everyone, so we are home now after a lot many efforts, of course. So we're gonna wash our face because बिल्कुल भी time नहीं है. We're gonna wash our face really quick, okay? मैं फेस वॉश करने के बाद आपको बोलती हूँ बाय बाय. मैंने कैमरा भी गया.
I didn't have. Hello everyone. So मैं अपना OTT तो जो भी बोलते हैं उसे वो तो नहीं दे पाई बिकॉज आई एम रनिंग लेट भी नहीं. मैं सबसे पहले ही आ गई थी टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, बट आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क टू डू. सो या वी आर गोइंग बैक स्टेज एंड वी गोना हेल्प एवरीवन आउट. Also we have a Bollywood singer over here who is also a Pahari singer. So I'll give you the band group ka pura snippets in between, okay? And also I'll try to record the performance also. So yeah. We have the trophies for the chief guests and the badge of honor, and we will be doing all that stuff. We are backstage doing our best, giving our best, making the event all success. We have golden hour. तो पूरा golden हो गया. Satvik, say hi in my vlog.
Hi.
Say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
I told you guys, sunset ke time the view will be automatically be very sundar. So I'll add the snippet to the view also. For now, just look at me. Self-obsessed, of course. The full length thing though I can't show you. Like I'm wearing this skirt with this. It's a legit जुगाड़ू outfit of the day because I didn't know कि ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है. I had to wear ethnic and ऐसे. So I'll show. It is something like this. There's legit no one to click me right now. So I'm doing this with myself.
तो हमारा यहाँ आना गवारा ना होगा. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A very good evening to all of you. नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, जय श्री कृष्ण, जय श्री राम. मैं दीपिका ठाकुर यहाँ आई सभी मेहमानों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत
Hello everyone. So we are going to eat Pahadi Dham abhi बैठ के. Yeah. So yeah. It was a really chaotic day. I just had Kangdi Dham right now and it was fabulous. Of course, Dham तो tasty ही होती है. So I've eaten it and मैं बाहर आ चुकी हूँ थोड़ा सा ना, अच्छा थोड़ा सा नॉइज़ फ्री होके आई वॉन्ट टू स्टैंड एंड पैर मेरे जेन्युइनली सूज चुके हैं। सो क्योंकि सुबह से भाग ही रहे हैं, मैं तो कल भी रात को लेट ही पहुंची थी यहाँ पे। सो इट्स लाइक 2 busy days in a row, बैक टू बैक। मैं पैर दिखाना चाहूँगी अपने, बट अभी नहीं, घर जाके अभी दिखा। ओके गाइज, आई एम साइनिंग ऑफ नाउ, बाय बाय, टेक केयर, साइनिंग ऑफ नाउ। एंड बार बार बोल रही हूँ, नींद भी चढ़ चुकी है मेरे दिमाग में। आई लव यू ऑल, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, hit the bell icon and also hit the like button. Yeah, bye bye, take care, love you. भाई, you need to see my पैर का condition right now. Wait, I'll flip the camera. मैंने स्पेशली फिर से पैर छिल तो लग गए हैं बट सूज भी गए हैं। वेट, आई शो यू, सी मेरा पैर, मेरा दूसरा पैर, मतलब दे आर डन, दे आर जेन्युइनली डन, इवन आफ्टर वेयरिंग द फ्लैट्स दे आर डन। ये साइड से सूज गए, नीचे से तो ये अलग ही ज़ख्म हो गया है इन पे, बट हो गया है कुछ तो। द साइड फिंगर, बेबी फिंगर इज़ ऑल्सो डन। वी आर डन, बाय बाय, बाय बाय।